This is my sheet, and I put my clean clothes in it because I couldn't find my laundry basket, and then tied it off with a hair tie. I just woke up. First night in my new apartment. I didn't do much last night, not gonna lie. Most of the clothes, okay, I can't, like, maybe half of the clothes are in this corner that I'm gonna sort through today. Figure out my closet. I think that's like the most important thing right now is figuring out my closet. But I'm gonna have to move my bed probably to do that, which is not a big deal. So that's the state of my room. Bathroom, I put away, like, I put up this, oh my god, the shower curtain. You cannot tell me that that is not the cutest shower curtain ever. I need a toilet paper thingy. But other than that, for the bathroom, I just need a couple of those things, like one for towels and one for the toilet paper, and maybe a little extra, like table to hold things. And then I just have these totes I'm probably not gonna touch because they're Chris's. So I just have 1, 2, 3, and a little suitcase. Wait, two little suitcases and 3 big ones to go through. That's not fun. And I made a Christmas tree. Hold on. This is my Christmas tree. I have to find the star. So I need to go through, actually most important is going through these 2 suitcases because they have the star for my Christmas tree. And it will not be complete without a star. So I have to get that. But yeah, other than that, kitchen, I mean, this is like where I'm putting all of my trash right now because I need a real trash can. Kitchen, I put away like snackers that I had and stuff like that. I'm gonna make some coffee, and microwave, and fruits. I thought they looked cute like this. I really want to get a little fruit bowl right here though. That looks so cute. And then I really like this bottle, so I'm keeping it. And I have a couple other bottles in Vermont that I really like, and I want to have like a bottle wall, but I just put these ones here so it didn't get lonely. But yeah, that is the state of my life right now, and we'll get through some of this today. Clothes and like those 2 suitcases are my top priority though, so we will see. Got shower curtain stuff, which that's cool. An adult like of me. This is gonna be a grocery haul. Got cereal. Scrambled breakfast burrito. Did I mention all I have is a microwave right now because my stove doesn't work till the 30th, so. I also got spicy Thai bowl. Egg roll bowl. Burrito bowl. Extra. And then I got, I got the harvest bowl because I think it looks like it has couscous in it. I really like couscous, yeah. I don't have a trash can, but I have paper towels. Another burrito! I'm sorry, usually I get their like fake chicken nuggets, but this is spicy popcorn chicken. I got styrofoam plates because all the paper plates were in like ginormous stacks, and it's like I'm gonna have real plates. Like I'm probably not even gonna use these. Like in all honesty, probably won't use them. But on the off chance I need plates, this was the smallest pack I could find, and it happens to be styrofoam, and I'm sorry. Forks and spoons and knives because I need those to eat food with. So I got them. Why I would try to do that. I literally have nothing to open this with. I'm really sad right now. Like nothing about this is going to work. I got this open. I used the cabinet handles to pop it. I did try my mouth for a while, did not work, and the keys. But yeah, I got it open. I told you, I always find a way. They're like, I don't own a bottle opener. This has happened to me so many times, and I always find a way. And here's my way. And now, you know what? I'll never need to buy a bottle opener because I know how to open the bottles without one. Hey! Hell yeah! What happens next time? You know, I'm gonna drink my coffee. I'm gonna lay in bed. When I'm done my coffee, I might start unpacking. We'll see. I found my star, so we get to complete the Christmas tree. Hey guys, here's the Christmas tree. I found my star. She's so cute. This is as holly jolly as I can get.